Today I will discuss about knowledge-based agents. This is an important topic and comes under artificial intelligence. Knowledge-based agents are those agents who have the capability of maintaining an internal state of knowledge, reason over that knowledge, update their knowledge after observations, and take actions according to the situation. These agents can represent the world with some formal representation and act intelligently. Before go in detail, let me define first agent involvement. So, agent is a hypothetical entity which performs action in an environment to accomplish given task or goal, whereas environment is a scenario of the world agent has to face. The agent interacts with the environment and explore some facts. Now let us know some abilities of knowledge-based agents. So a knowledge-based must be able to represent states, actions. It should be to incorporate new percepts. It can update the internal representation of the world. It can deduce the internal representation of the world, and it can take appropriate actions. Now let us understand some terminologies used for knowledge-based agents. The first is a formal language. This is basically a knowledge base. It is a collection of sentences which stores facts about the real world. These sentences are expressed in a language which is called knowledge representation language. The second is syntax. So syntax means whether the sentence are legal or not. It means how to write a sentence. Basically in programming, the syntax meaning is similar with this. Semantics, the interpretation of each sentence. What is the meaning of that sentence? That relates to the semantics. Formally, mathematically, we can say that defines the truth of each sentence with respect to each possible world. The last is entailment. Entailment means one sentence follows logically another sentence. It is represented by this symbol. Say alpha follows or entails beta. This represents that alpha entails sentence beta if and only if beta is true in all words where alpha is true. So entailment is a relationship between sentence that is based on semantics. Now let us try to understand the schematic perspective of it. So there are two basically terms. One is representation, other is word. In representation, there are sentences which are facts, and it maps with the world's aspect of the real world. A sentence entails another sentence, like alpha entails this beta, and the entailment of any sentence will also maps with real aspect of the world. So if knowledge base is true in the world, Then any sentence alpha derived from knowledge base by sound reference procedures is also true in the real world. So now let us talk about the architecture of the knowledge-based agent. So as we have already discussed, the environment, the agent interacts with the environment, and from the environment the agent will take input, it will put it into the inference engine, it may also interact with the knowledge base and generate some output. This is the basic concept of the knowledge based agent. Thank you so much.